In today's data-driven world, businesses thrive on insights extracted from their data. The ability to analyze and interpret this data effectively can be the difference between success and failure. Power BI emerges as a powerful tool, empowering corporates to unlock these insights through stunning visuals and robust analysis. It allows businesses to visualize their data in ways that were previously unimaginable. Gone are the days of sifting through endless spreadsheets. The traditional methods of data analysis are not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. Power BI transforms raw data into interactive dashboards and reports, making it easier than ever to understand complex business trends. These dashboards are not just visually appealing but also highly functional. Imagine effortlessly creating a bar chart that reveals sales figures for each region. With just a few clicks, you can have a comprehensive view of your sales performance, or a pie chart that instantly highlights the contribution of different product categories. This kind of visualization helps in making quick and informed decisions. Power BI makes these tasks simple and intuitive. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even those with minimal technical skills can navigate and utilize its features effectively. Whether you are a seasoned data analyst or a business manager seeking clearer insights, Power BI equips you with the tools to make data-driven decisions. It bridges the gap between data and actionable insights, making it an indispensable tool in the corporate world. Before embarking on the journey of creating insightful visualizations, we must first import our data into Power BI. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for all subsequent analysis and visualization. Power BI accommodates a wide range of data sources, from Excel spreadsheets and CSV files to cloud-based databases. This flexibility allows you to work with data from various origins seamlessly. To import your data, simply connect to your desired data source from within Power BI. The platform supports a straightforward connection process. Once connected, you can select the specific tables or queries you wish to import. This allows you to focus on the most relevant data for your analysis. Power BI's intuitive interface guides you through this process, ensuring a seamless experience. The user-friendly design makes it accessible even for beginners. With your data successfully imported, you are now ready to transform it into meaningful visualizations. This is where the true power of Power BI comes to life, enabling you to uncover insights and tell compelling data stories. For sessions on Power BI, please contact knowledgenexus51@gmail.com for details. Bar charts are exceptional for comparing data across different categories. Let's create a bar chart to visualize sales performance by region. In Power BI, select the bar chart option from the visualization pane. Drag and drop the region column from your data fields into the axis field of the chart. Next, drag the sales column to the values field. Power BI will instantly generate a bar chart displaying sales figures for each region. You can customize the chart's appearance, such as colors and labels, to enhance its visual appeal and clarity. Section 4. Pie charts. Unveiling sales distribution by category. Pie charts excel at depicting proportions and are ideal for visualizing sales distribution across different product categories. To create a pie chart in Power BI, choose the pie chart option from the visualization pane. Drag the product category column to the legend field and the sales column to the values field. Power BI will generate a pie chart that clearly shows the percentage of sales contributed by each product category. This visual representation allows for quick and easy identification of top-performing and underperforming categories. Section 5. Line charts. Deciphering sales trends. Line charts are indispensable for analyzing trends over time. To create a line chart to track sales trends, select the line chart option in Power BI. Drag the date column to the axis field and the sales column to the values field. Power BI will generate a line chart that plots sales figures against time. You can easily identify patterns, seasonality, and overall sales growth or decline from the chart. This insight is invaluable for making informed business decisions. Section 6. Filters and interactions, diving deeper into insights. In this section, we will explore how to harness the full potential of Power BI's filtering and interaction capabilities. Filters and interactions in Power BI empower you to explore your data with unparalleled granularity. These tools allow you to dissect your data, providing a clearer and more detailed view of your business metrics. You can add filters to your reports and dashboards to focus on specific data subsets. This means you can zero in on the most relevant data points, making your analysis more targeted and effective. For instance, you can filter your sales data to view performance for a particular region or product category. This helps in identifying trends and patterns that are specific to certain areas or products. Interactions enable you to connect different visuals, creating a dynamic and interconnected data exploration experience. By linking various data points, you can see how changes in one area affect others. Selecting a data point in one visual can filter or highlight related data in other visuals, revealing hidden relationships and patterns. This interactive approach makes it easier to uncover insights that might not be immediately obvious. With filters and interactions, you can delve deeper into your data and uncover actionable insights that might otherwise remain hidden. These features are essential for making informed business decisions and staying ahead in a competitive market.